Hey guys, I wanted to show you how to do Mobx with Create React App because there's a lot of content out there about how to do it with decorators. Almost everyone using Mobx is using decorators, but with Create React App, you actually can't use decorators unless you do some hacky stuff. I know you can, but for the most part, if you want to stay on the, doing the base stuff that comes with Create React App, you're not getting decorators, which are the little @ signs you see above functions. So I want to show you how I created this very simple application with just a counter. I push in and increments up with Mobx, and this is with Create React App. So I built this guy using no decorators, and it works as you guys just saw, and you can kind of see how to put this together and how you can use this with other stuff. So right here, this is very simple. I have one store, which is I call the counter store. Now here what I do is I'm creating an object which is going to be basically the store. Now this is going to be keep the state for like this single object, and we have you'll see I'm using the word extend observable, and I'm passing in this, and the reason for that is you'll notice I have this increment function, and what it does is it increases the count. And so to reference the count that I have right here, I need to use this. So for Mobx, we're going to be using extend observable and action. Extend observable, like I said, gives you this. Action, this is whenever you need to wrap your function, like so here. Whenever you want to basically change the state or the store. So you notice how we're changing the state here. We're saying counts plus equal 1, so we need to wrap this guy in an action. That way Mobx actually gets the update. And then we need to say this.count, that way we know we're referring to this. So this is what you could say like a Redux state would be equivalent to. You can have multiple of these. This is just a single store. And you'll notice I have in my app.js, what I'm doing is I have this counter component, and I'm just passing in the store. So I'm loading in the store from just the file and then passing it in there. Nothing special going on here. And then in the counter function here, I'm getting the observer from Mobx React, and I'm just wrapping this whole component in this function. Now I'm getting the store prop that we're passing from the app right here. So grabbing that here, and I'm just going to say store.count. So we're grabbing that from here, and I can also call increment. So I actually am showing what the value of store.count is, and then when I get an on click, I call store.increment, and that's it. So very simple. When you click this button, it calls the function. The function then gets called, which initiates an action. The action increments and updates the state, and then because we have action here, it's going to tell all the things that are using this store to update. Because we gave this the observable, the store gets the new values, and store.count increments. So seeing that again, clicking the button, we see an increment. And that's it for this video, guys. Just want to do a short and sweet one to show you how to get Mobx working. I'm going to put this example up on GitHub because it was a little, figuring out you need to use observer and extend observable. It can be a little weird. It's a little bit different than if you're using the decorators. So let me know if you guys want to see anything else with Mobx, if you want to see more complicated examples, because I actually really liked kind of the feel of this. So this was the state, and this was very fast to code. I mean, of course, what I'm referring to is this is a lot less boilerplate than Redux. So of course this is fast because this is such a simple example, but compared to Redux, this is a lot less boilerplate, and I like that. So that's really cool. So I could see myself definitely using this in more projects in the future, just because it's a lot faster to get stuff set up. So maybe I'll do a side-by-side comparison of Mobx versus this in Redux, and let me know if there's what you guys want to see with Mobx, because I might do more stuff with this if you guys like it. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.